Greetings, this is Mr. G-Man coming to you once again from the top secret bunker of truth, aka the man cave. Before me are two firearms, and we're going to make a video today that I've been wanting to make for a long time. It's actually all about flashlights and how they fit on firearms like this. So on my left is the Smith & Wesson M&P AR-15-22. But the rail system is the same as any of their AR-15s, and it's supposed to be dimensionally the same as all quad rail systems for AR-15 type guns. So then the question would be, will the flashlights fit? And here we have a Malkoff MD4 size body with the Wildcat head on it. It's just shy of 2-inch wide diameter. So the question is will it fit on this type of rail without hitting the rail, even if you tuck it back? And you should be able to see that. Alright, so it does fit. We would just lock down the screw and have it on the rail, and then we have the CAA brand quick detachable mount that's designed to take standard 1-inch diameter flashlights. So if that's what you have, and that's what the Malkoff are, then you can mount it on the bottom rail, on side rails, any way you want. You can use the push button on the back, or the Malkoffs will take the standard Solar Force style 1-inch diameter tube rear switch tape switch. I've used these on and off. They work just fine. Next we have on my right the semi-auto version Hungarian FEG AK-47 type gun. This is actually an SA-85. I had it converted to have the Ultra Tactical Group quad rail system put on the front. On the gun you see another different CAA flashlight mount. It's the 5-position adjustable where you can rotate it by pulling it back and clicking it into different positions. And so you can put it on the top rail, the side rail, do what you want. Some people like 2 of these across the top rail. It's not interfered with the scope being on target. You do see it in the bottom of a low power scope, but you don't see it interfering with the crosshairs on target. So you could have a flashlight or laser on either side. On the top rail if you want, I have already tried it. It will mount and fit where you can get the flashlight on the other rails. If you put it on the side rail and flip it up or down, and you have other flashlights or accessories there, you may hit them if you go to a full right angle, but on this type you can go to a 45-degree angle instead of a 90-degree side angle. So the Malkoff and any similar size flashlight, as long as the head diameter is 2 inches or less and it's a standard 1-inch body tube, will fit in this adjustable mount. Once it's in, you just tighten up the screws for it and lock it down, or it'll go in the standard non-adjustable type of mount and fit just fine. And again, as long as it's 2-inch diameter or less, it will not hit the rail. So you can slide it forward, slide it back, use the tape switch, not use a tape switch, your choice, but the point is that the flashlights will fit on the rail. Again, the mounts are from CAA. They make a whole bunch of accessories, and as long as your flashlight is a standard 1-inch tube, then you can lock it into the rail. So these are Malkoffs, some of my favorite flashlights, the original MD2 camo size. This is an MD4 body in length. That means it takes 4 cells instead of just 2. An MD3 size. They all fit in the rails. And that concludes this portion of the testing.